In this section, we're going to be looking at applications of proportions. Similar figures have exactly the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. Two figures are similar if and only if the lengths of corresponding sides are proportional and all pairs of corresponding angles have equal measures. We're going to look at an example of finding missing measures in similar figures in order to show this concept. So we have two triangles, and they're actually similar triangles because of the symbol between the two triangles lets us know that they are similar. The sides of the smaller triangle are 8 feet and 5 feet. The sides of the bigger triangle are x feet and 12 feet. We want to solve for the missing side, x. So we have to set up some proportions. 5 divided by 12 equals 8 divided by x. The reason we do 5 divided by 12 is because 5 and 12 are corresponding sides. The reason we do 8 divided by x is because 8 and x are corresponding sides. We keep the corresponding sides of one triangle on the above the fraction and the sides of the opposite triangle below the fraction. That's why 5 and 8 are above the fraction and 12 and x are below the fraction. Now we want to solve for x. So first we can cross multiply because it's a proportion. So 5 times x and 12 times 8. 5 times x would give us 5x. 12 times 8 would give us 96. Now we can just isolate the x. In order to isolate the x, we have to divide both sides by 5. When the left side is divided by 5, we are left with 1x. And when the right side is divided by 5, 96 divided by 5 simplifies to 15.2. So x equals 19.2. We're going to look at another example of using proportions in order to solve for the side of similar figures. Here we have two similar parallelograms. So we're going to set up proportions. 12 over 18 equals 9 over x. Both the 12 and the 9 come from the parallelogram on the left, so their numbers are above the fraction, and the 18 and x come from the parallelogram on the right, so their numbers are on the bottom of the fraction. Now we can cross multiply in order to solve for the x. So 12 times x and 18 times 9. We can simplify the equation now, so 12x equals 162. Now we want to bring the x by itself, so we have to divide both sides by 12. 12x divided by 12 leaves us with 1x. 162 divided by 12 is going to equal 13.5. And we've just solved for x.